Okay, B9, problem number 1, the directions are to solve the system of linear equations. I have two equations up here that I need to solve. That means I need a value for x and a value for y. Okay? What we're going to do here, there's two methods in this chapter for solving. One we call the substitution method, the other one's elimination. Okay? So hopefully you've looked at those already. This one, you can solve any system by either method. Okay? This case I'm going to solve by substitution because it's set up for substitution. That means you have one of your variables by itself. You know y equals 4x plus 1. So the easy thing to do is going to be able to take this y, which is 4x plus 1, and sub it in for this y. Okay? So what I'm going to do is take this. That's y. These are the same y, right? So I'm going to substitute 4x plus 1 into y in my top equation. Right, and sub it in right there. Okay? And I'm going to rewrite this top equation and see what happens. So that's 2x. I didn't do anything with that term. Minus 3 times y. But we know y is equal to 4x plus 1. Make sure to use parentheses there because this says 3 times y. Negative 3 times y. Negative 3 times y. That whole thing. Okay? And that's equal to negative 13. Now by substituting, this is the substitution method, by substituting, I've eliminated the y term, right? I have an equation only in x. Okay, so I substituted and now my equation is of one variable, which we know how to solve. So this will be a review for solving linear equations. Distribute the negative 3. Combine like terms, 2x minus 12x. Okay, and now I have the x term on the left-hand by itself, left-hand side of the equation by itself. I just got to get rid of this 3. Since it's negative, I want to do the opposite operation there. So I'm going to add. And now I have negative 10x equals negative 13 and 3 is negative 10. Okay, so negative 10x equals negative 10 on one step from the solution for x. I still got to get y. One step from the solution for x, divide both sides by 10, and then x equals negative 10 divided by negative 10, which is 1. Okay, so that is only part of the answer, right? I've solved for x, but remember we need x and y, solutions for x and y. So what I need to do next is solve for y. Okay, so if you look up here, x is 1. Up here we know y is 4x plus 1. So I found x, all I have to do is go and plug it in to one of these equations. You can plug it into the top equation or the second equation. It doesn't matter. I'll plug it into this one because it's a little easier. 4x plus 1, x is 1, and then solve for y. So 4 times 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. There's y. There's x, and that's my solution. X equals 1, y equals 5. You can also write these solutions as an ordered pair, x comma y, which in this case, which would be 1 comma 5. Okay, so that's number 1. You got more to do. Remember, you got to do your homework in here if you're going to pass this course.